Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for Instagram users, sending photos. Whether you want to share a memorable moment or just a funny snapshot with your friends, Instagram makes it easy and fun. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the steps to send photos directly from your Instagram app on an Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Next, tap the messenger icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your direct messages where you can connect with your friends. Step 3. After that, find and open the contact you want to send a photo to. You can search for their name in the search bar if you have many contacts. Step 4. Now, tap the gallery icon at the bottom of the chat. This will allow you to browse through your photo gallery. Step 5. Select the photo you want to send. You can scroll through your recent pictures or choose any image from your albums. Step 6. Finally, tap Send at the bottom right side of your screen. In just a moment, your photo will be on its way to your friend. And there you have it. Sending photos on Instagram is quick and easy, letting you share your favorite memories with just a few taps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips.